Good morning, third graders.
Good morning.
Okay, today we're going to go to work in math, and I have a really nice lesson for you. Do you guys want to learn?
Yes.
Cool. Okay, our main objective will be this. Pay attention. Determine the unknown whole number in a multiplication or division equation relating three whole numbers. I know. Many of you will be thinking, okay, what that means? Okay, that means this. That at the end of the lesson, everybody with me, I will be able to identify the unknown whole number in a multiplication or division equation using fact families. Okay, there is several words that we need to work with. For example, I will be able to identify. Guys, what identify means? Does anybody? I mean, what identify means?
It means
You're looking for something. Do you agree with him? Do you like his answer?
Yes.
Okay, I like it too. Unknown. This can be confusing. What is unknown? Camila?
Something you don't know.
Something that don't know. I like that. A whole number. I don't want the definition of this, but can you guys give me an example? One. Any other one? Six.
Seven.
That's great. Thank you very much, Enrique. Okay, now, equation. What equation is this? It's a kind of... Delia?
Equation means that you use equal or equal to in equation.
Can anybody give me an example for equation? Example?
6 times 6.
6 times 6. Guys, do you guys agree with it? 6 times 6. Is this an equation?
No.
We can work with this. 6 times 6 what?
Equals to 36.
Equals to 36. Is this an equation now?
Yes.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay. And the most important of the day. Fact families. We were working with this last week and yesterday. Anybody remember what a fact family is? Can you tell me? Give me an idea. Give me an idea about this. Yeah.
A fact family shows how multiplication and division are related to each other.
Okay. Do you guys agree with him? Okay.
Yes.
Fact families. What about if I told you this? Everybody.
6, 3, and 18.
Well, right away you will tell me that
6 times 3 equals 18.
I already give you the answer here, right? And 3 times 6 equals
18.
Okay, yeah, but why? Because this at the end this is just a number. Why? I like that everybody raising the hand. Why, Matthew? How you can prove this?
Because 6 times 3 is equal to 3 times 6 because they are the same number.
They are the same numbers, but I'm trying to find out how I know that 6 times 3 is 18 or 3 times 6 is 18. How? Yeah.
Then 18, because 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3, and 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6.
Yeah, but there is different ways to prove this. How I can prove this?
Because you can know there are 6 groups of 3 in each group.
Thank you very much. 6 groups of 3 in each group. Or we can just repeat what? Repeat?
Addition.
Okay.
That's just like using the computer's property.
Okay. Say that again.
That's just like using the computer's property.
Perfecto. That's great. And what about this? 3 times 6. What is the repeat addition for this? Amir?
6 plus 6 plus 6.
That's amazing. Enrique, could you please repeat that again? Because I was about to ask, why do both equations have the same product? The hint I'm going to give you is a property. What property is this?
Commutative property.
Community property. Thank you very much. The community property. Okay, so I'm sure that you know that 18 divided by 3 is
6.
and 18 divided by 6 equals
3.
How I can prove this? Because if I use 18 as a what? As a whole, I have 3 groups of 6 number. Okay? Remember, at the end of the lesson, you have to think, can I identify the unknown number in a multiplication or division using fact families? Okay, fact family. Oh, what is this? F, X, F, two parallel lines, D, point, point, dash, D, Q. What is that? Who can help me? Elijah. Yes, what's your name?
The F stands for factor, kind factor, and the X stands for times, and the P stands for
N times 3 equals 15. Guys, I don't want you to tell me this number. I want you to prove that this number is 5. Everyone knows that 3 times 5 is 15. You guys were working hard with this, but why? The question is, why? Elijah?
Because there will be 3 groups with 5 in each group.
If I do 3 groups of n, and the whole number will be 15, how I can solve this? I can use several strategies. Give me one strategy.
Well, if you could divide 15 divided by 3 with the 2 numbers that you have.
Okay, and what else?
Count up until you get 15.
What else?
Skip count.
Skip count. Thank you very much. I was looking for that. So we have 5, skip count, 10, 15. I've skip count by 5, so n equals 5. That's correct? Oh, sorry. N equals 15. N equals 5. Okay. Now, I have here some words that I want to relate with the fact family. Okay? Array. How I can relate an array with this? Okay. Who wants to help me?
You could like draw 3 circles in columns and 5 circles on each row.
Okay, and if this happens, what is the shape that I have here, right, guys? What is this shape?
A
A rectangle. Okay. We have this.
3 times 5.
Okay, there is another word I want to relate with this. Okay, remember that array is something that you guys did in 2nd grade. This was from last year. And from this year and for the next year, we're going to be working with
Area.
and
Perimeter.
thank you guys, thank you. Good guess. Very good guess. Okay, area and perimeter. What is the area of this?
15.
Thank you very much. Why?
Because 5 times 3 is 15. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. And 15 divided by 3.
Do you guys agree with him?
Yes.
Okay. What is the perimeter of this? Miguel?
16.
16. Do you guys agree with him?
Yes.
Miguel, how do you find out the perimeter?
By adding 5 plus 5 and by adding side plus side plus side plus side.
Perfecto. Okay, great. Now,
Sebastian wants to find 28 divided by 4 equals n. Which missing factor equation can he use to help solve the problem?
okay, could you guys please solve it here? And remind your partners the mathematical practice standards we're working with. Just read the number 1 for us, please.
1. I can make sense of problems and persevere in solving them.
Thank you very much. Will you please sit down? Elijah, will you please come here and read number 6?
I can attend.
Okay, can we do, guys, everybody with me, please. Where is the teacher?
¿Dónde
está el maestro?
Ahí.
28 plus n equals 4. Can I use this?
No.
Why?
Because you're adding. You're adding.
You add it. Okay. And if you remind, please raise your hand. 28 divided by n equals 4. Can I use this? Lucas?
No, because it's almost the exact same thing as 28 divided by 4 equals n, because 28 divided by n equals 4 is just changing the order of the 4 and the n.
Muy bien. Matthew, can I use 4 times n equals 28?
Maybe.
maybe. So I know it's not A, I know it's not B. It may be C. Miguel, can I use 28 times n equals 4?
No.
No. Why not?
Because we can't multiply a big number with a
Not yet, right? You guys are going to learn this in 4th grade. Okay.
already.
So, guys, the answer is A, B, C, or D?
C.
C. Okay, that's perfect. Thank you very much. Now, guys, I'm going to ask you to go back to your desk to keep on working. Okay? Could you please read aloud the first problem?
While on vacation in Spain, Daniel bought 20 postcards. He can put 5 postcards on each page in his memory book. How many pages will Daniel fill with his postcard?
Okay, I know that you guys have been working with this. You have a phenomenal answers, and I would like you to share this answer with us, okay? Amir, could you please roll the dice?
Yeah,
Number 6.
I put an X. How did you know which operation to use?
Miguel, could you please explain us your answer?
Okay, first I did 20 divided by n equals 5, and I know that 5 times n equals 20. And on top of the division problem, I did d divided by d equals to q, and on the multiplication problem, I did above of that, I did f times f equals p. And then when I was done with that, I put 20. That is the whole, and I put 5 equal groups that are the parts. And in each group, I had to put 4 because 5 times 4 equals 20, and 4 times 5 equals 20.
That was a phenomenal answer. Do you guys agree with his answer? Yes, I do too. That was phenomenal.
So first let's put 5 times n equals 20.
Okay.
5 times n. So now we do the facts now. Yeah. 5 times n equals 20. N times 5 equals 20. And then you do the divisions. 40
You guys are doing a very good job. I'm so proud of you.
N equals 5. 20 divided by 5 equals n.
Okay, may I have your attention, please?
Yes.
Where is the teacher?
Right there.
¿Dónde está el maestro?
Ahí.
Okay, I was walking around. Guys, you did a very good job. I'm so proud of you. But now we're going to close the lesson. Okay, this is the last part. As last part, I need to remind you the learning goal for today. Actually, everybody's going to read with me. I will be able to identify the unknown whole number in a multiplication or division equation using fact families. We already reviewed the fact families. We reviewed the fact families with one unknown number. We did the first problem. You guys did the second problem. And now we're going to do the exit ticket. You guys know that this year we don't have island, we have a part. This problem is very similar to the ones you guys are going to find in the part test. Okay, so use your strategies, remember your math standards, and do your best. I know you guys are going to succeed in this. Okay, we're going to read aloud only the question, and you guys are going to solve the problem. Whenever you finish the problem, please put the paper in my desk. And we're done for today. Thank you very much. The question is, which two statements can be represented by the expression 4 times n? Let's read again. Which two statements can be represented by the expression 4 times n? Good luck. Thank you very much.